surface of the Earth are not viable for third-dimensional life for a while. There does appear, however, to be an interstellar rescue plan similar to the analogy of Noah's Ark, where animals and plants and the things that are really worthy of surviving get a kind of cosmic rescue, get transplanted away. Noah's Ark is certainly in metaphorical, archetypal, not really exact. It's not just one breeding pair of each animal. There is a suggestion even that the idea of the moon being hollow that we've heard from Tompkins, and we've heard from Corey Good, and we've heard from Pete Peterson, every insider I spoke to has said the moon is a gigantic hollow spacecraft, and it has over 10,000 floors inside. That suggests to me the possibility that there are people who geoengineer extraterrestrial beings who are terraforming entire worlds and build out a moon as a spaceship and can then take an entire planet worth of beings, load it inside, and then drive that moon somewhere else, park it in orbit around another planet, and then offload all the animals, the plants, ocean creatures, the ocean water, and literally use that as the seeds to terraform. That appears to be exactly what has happened in our own history. And again, the whole key is when the Samvartaka fire, whatever you want to call it, happens, there's some sort of DNA activation, and the species that are going to make it through this thing, their DNA gets upgraded and rewritten. And that's another thing I've talked about so much on this show. Similar to Dr. Peter Garyaev's experiment, where he takes a laser beam, shines it through salamander eggs, and then shines that beam into hermetically sealed frog eggs. And the frog eggs get genetically rewritten into salamanders. They grow into salamanders, and the salamanders have no problems associated with cloning, but those salamanders came out of a frog's body in one generation. Just like that, they change to another species. So I believe that is one of the most important discoveries in all of biology, and it shows that these energetic changes do activate human ascension on a very physical, genetic level, as well as in the spiritual level, and it all hinges around this epic release. So now I want to show you the research that I've done recently